guys, welcome back to another Citizen Lash video. Today I'm going to show you lash stacking. So I've already applied the Natural Shape Citizen DIY lash set just as shown in the tray. So look at the camera there, Kelsey. Okay, so this is what you would expect from our Natural Shape lash style. It's already so stunning, but Kelsey's looking to make her daytime look a little more dramatic. It's Friday. We want a little more drama. So what we're gonna do is stack the lash set until we reach our desired level of drama. So this is the beauty of Citizen Lash. You can do anything you want. And they are lightweight enough that you can double up on them, no problem. So I'll get you to close up. So I'm just gonna go in and stack another lash set directly on top of the lashes that I've already applied. Now, I'm making them just a touch longer, and how I'm doing that is using the exact same lash mapping, but I'm just gonna place my fans just slightly further away from the base of the lashes that I already have applied. That's gonna add a little bit of length. You can totally do this. You won't even notice that you've stacked the lashes once you're done. And if you wanted to change the shaping a little bit, say you wanted a more open eye look during the day and a cat eye sultry look at night, then that's okay. You can just add density and length to a certain area. So I'll show you what that looks like. If I am to place a lash further up here, I've now changed the shaping. Open up. To more of a cat eye lash look. But if I am to keep going, it'll become more of a doll eye again. Usually when I'm stacking, I don't go all the way to the inner corner. I don't often find it necessary to add drama in there, but you absolutely could. So I just added an extra 3 to 4 lash fans, and it completely changed the look of my DIY lash set. Now I'm just gonna seal the lashes with my Citizen Sealant. That's gonna get rid of the white glue residue on the lashes, and it's also gonna make it so that they're definitely not sticky. When my client or myself, because I do this on myself as well, when I blink. But if you had a black glue, you might be able to get away with it, but it is still nice to take away the stickiness. You can also stack by putting lashes on the top of the natural lashes instead of directly on top of your DIY lash set. There's no right or wrong. It just depends on what you need to do to bring your desired lash look to life.